Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fix YouTube TV buffering problems. So one of the main reason is your poor internet connection. So what you have to do is simply check your internet connection, which it can be done easily. You can utilize an internet speed test tool and see if it is in line with internet speed recommendation for watching programs on YouTube TV. So as you can see here, you have some download speed. So when you use internet speed test tool, they will tell you the download speed. And as you can see, what you can do on YouTube TV, and here you can see the recommended download speed for each one of them. So you have to make sure that your internet speed is like mentioned here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.